Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install or uninstall optional features on Windows 11 23S2 using Settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard or open the Settings app using any method you like to use. Then click on this one System option, and then on the right, scroll down to the bottom and you will see optional features option. Click on this one. Here, to uninstall the feature, you will see all the installed optional features, such as in my PC 12 features has been installed. And to uninstall any feature that you don't like, just click on this one feature entry and click on this one uninstall button. This will uninstall selected optional features from your PC. Like you can see here, I have uninstalled Upsteps Recorder. And to install the feature, again go to the system option in the settings app, and then scroll down to the bottom, click on this one optional features, then click on this one view features button. Here you will see all the features that are available to install. Just check the option you want to install. You can check multiple options at once. Then click on this one next button. Then click on this one install button. This will install selected optional feature on your Windows PC. It may take a few seconds. You need to wait to get installed on your PC. Once it is installed, you can use that optional features on your Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.